I would like to thank my parents and my professors who helped me throughout my career here at Monmouth College, specifically Professor Gaster and Professor Nielsen. Thank you so much.
So I'd say that Professor Trudy Peterson, she's the head of the comm department. I'd say she gave me a lot of help over the past 4 years. She was my advisor. Anytime I had a question with anything, anytime I was struggling with anything, she helped me out. Most of the time, she ended up making my schedule too for me, so that helped a lot too.
Thanks, Mom and Eloise. You guys have been a great support. Thank you to my professors, Judy Kessler, Petra, Megan. You guys are great. And thank you to the theater department for always keeping me entertained.
I'd like to thank my parents and everyone who helped me make the choice to come to Monmouth. I'd like to thank my girlfriend for helping me get through it, and I'd like to thank all the professors that were there for me when things seemed bleak. I'd like to thank my friends for the same reason.